Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be destroying people, but this time it's special. So every time I kill somebody, I level up my weapons. When I kill somebody with the final level, I win. If I die, I go back a level. These are the different levels. We're starting from 1 going up to 5. As you can see, I think from the dioramas, it gets like crazier and then crazier and crazier and crazier. Okay, you might be confused about level 3. You will understand that later. So, yeah, here we go. Starting with level 1, we have sword. So we're gonna be starting with the sword. Let's ask who wants to PvP. Yay, PvP me. Well, I'm gonna get my sword real quick. I'm gonna turn on PvP mode. I'll also turn off isolation mode. Alright. Now we wait. I'm going to a party later, so I'm gonna do this fast. Save that so I don't have to, I'm gonna get a jetpack too. Wait, actually, I haven't tried this. I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm buying that. I love the new buildable update, by the way. It's been so long since we got an update. It's way better. Dude, the piston speed can go up to 600 now. And now the piston stuff can be instant.
It was this moment of praying for a miracle because it was a massive tumor in the left side of his brain.
Every minute matters for the children at St. Jude. They need your help. For just $19 a month.
Oh yeah, by the way, I built everything and this is not staged. This is actually legit, because why would I make staged videos also? That would just take longer. It would be stupider. I don't make staged videos, guys. Don't worry. And I don't really like being accused of staged videos.
I try not to think into the future, but then when your child loses their hair.
If I stage something, I'll tell you, but usually I don't stage my stuff. I never do.
For just $19 a month, you can make a difference in my life.
Also, I'm making a Q&A video soon. Go to my post, then go to the Q&A post, and then ask a question. So, this is almost done too. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just gonna press it. Oh no, I'm dying! I don't really want to take extra damage because if I do, I'll die faster. Well, look at that run. Look at that run. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go to black team. Oh. Okay, this time I'm using a jetpack. Okay, right there. Guess I need to get my sword, or else I will have like almost no chance. No. Dad, how much longer until we go to the party?
We're not leaving for several hours.
Okay.
Right now it's too crazy.
Here we go. We're going to black team. Because he looks like he's ready to fight. I want to kill him. Either classrooms will be really easy to access. I see him. Oh no, he has a bombing car. Oh, he sees me. He's not saying anything. I don't think he has chat. I'm gonna try to use quick chat. Okay, there's really nothing to use. Yeah, he's just jumping around. What is this last time? I'm gonna use my sword. Oh, he's gonna do it. Yes. PvP. Yes, we turn on PvP mode. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, he turned on PvP. No. Get up. I'm gonna die. I'm dying. Oh my god, last second. Okay, we unlock level 2. It's gonna get a little crazier. For now, just turn PvP mode off so he doesn't, like, bomb me. Now, I get a gun. Wee! I'm gonna go back to black team. So, I think a lot of the time I have good aim with these guns, so hopefully I'm able to get him. If not, I go back to level 1. Well, I mean, if I die. But usually I have good aim with these guns, so. Yes, PvP mode on, good. Why would you turn it off for like 10 seconds? I mean, probably because you wouldn't fight me again, but yes, you can fight me again. I swear to God, if he gets into like his car and he starts shooting it at me. Oh, he's not moving. I got him. Retreat. Retreat! I shot him with my gun and he was sitting in his car. He was actually gonna use his car on me. I have to hurry up. Level 3. Oh yeah, by the way, that blue thing is the Disney logo. You'll get it. See? See? Okay, this time it gets crazier because I get the magic wand and I get the potions. And I get my jetpack. There we go. Okay. After this, there's just 2 more levels. So. Oh no, he has a fighting mech. He's shooting miniguns at me. No. I have to freeze his mech. It barely did anything. Oh my god, the whole thing is burning. He's low. Dance him. We'll make him dance. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. No, don't let him get the cannon thing. He's not moving. Ow! I think this is gonna be. Oh no! He broke my wand. Retreat! 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 I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, and then get my wand. Wait, no. Okay, go back. Get back. before he regenerates his health too much. He's trying to snipe me. No. I gotta hit him with this. No, he has full health. Damn it, I missed that. Oh, I hit that. Oh, there's no way. There's no way I hit the fire, but I didn't hit that pink one. Dude. Wait, there's weapons. There's weapons in there. No, he's getting potions. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. First, use the cannons. Get it, get it, get it. No! He's burning me. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Okay, use the cannons, use the cannons. He's right there. I hit him. He's bald now. Oh shoot. Shoot him. I missed. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my. I hate how the cannon lasts me away. It's only useful sometimes when I'm on like a boat and I want my boat to go faster. But in PvP, it's just, oh shoot. He's trying to get me with the minigun. Shoot him. He's standing still. Oh, what is he doing? He's trying to shoot me with the harpoons. Oh, he's trying to snipe me. Wait, there's stuff over here. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, he hit me with the harpoon. No. Let's keep fighting. No. Oh no. He's right there. He's not moving. Let's keep hitting him. Hit him, hit him. Hit him more. He's got a sword. No! He got a sword. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I can't go that far because of this stupid harpoon. No, he's reeling me in. No! No! Oh shoot. I've almost killed him. He's like one tap right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm free. Before he heals up, I gotta hit him again. No, that literally faced through him. Oh, I killed him! Yes! Retreat, 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 retreat. Time for level 4. Oh, this is like where it gets insane. Insane. Bombs/nukes. Missile jet too.
My dad handpicked all of this stuff. It was special to him.
Are really about taking us home. It matters. American Pickers, a new 24/7 channel by the
Okay,
channel.
I think I should put the levers on the top. Okay. So push the bomb out, and then I'm gonna need those 2 levers at the top so I can explode him. Explode him.
This is the first time I've ever been in a New York City apartment. They're all like that. They're all this big. This is pretty spacious.
No, they are not this big usually.
All I've ever heard are fours
Oh, yeah.
where you can sit on the toilet, fry an egg, turn the channel on the TV. It's just so small. But when I walk
I'm
into
just
this
gonna
place,
do this.
it's beautiful.
This is a New York City loft.
Loft.
Yes.
So when this building was initially built, were these built as apartments?
Okay, double block. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, please. Okay. I'm gonna try to like drop it over him. Oh shoot. What team is grounding? They have isolation mode on. Oh, he's shooting me with like one of those 5 cannonball giant cannons that you have to go inside of. No. Wait, I don't have my jets anymore. He broke my jets off. Drop it, drop it. It's so hard now that I don't have my seat or my jets or the levers. So I can't. Maybe there's some extra levers down here. Oh my god. Dude, what are the chances that he explodes the lever to explode this? There's another guy here. Oh no, he's making gaps, so I'm gonna try to squeeze out. I see his wings. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hide in here for a little bit. I'm gonna try to get out though, cause oh, he's making portals. No, he's inside. This feels like a horror game, and I'm like hiding from him. You know what? I'm just gonna go. Go, go, go. Oh shit. He's getting a sword. That was so lucky. Okay, get in the cannon. Get in the cannon. No. No, run. I don't have anything, and there's no boats with weapons on them. Oh, the water's making me take damage. He's chasing me. Oh, give me a gun, give me a gun. I got a gun. Oh, I did it. I did it. Retreat. Retreat. Okay. The last level. Level 5. The fighter jets. I have a B-2 bomber. If I die right here, somehow, I will have to restart the entire thing. When I'll have to go back to the bombs and nukes. Let me turn daylight mode on. Okay, here we go. I roll with my wheels and turn out. I'm gonna try dropping the bomb on him and drop. Oh my god, I hate how he just flies forward like that. Might be able to fix that actually. Oh, I don't explode. Okay, land. Just land. He's loading something in. No, no, no. Get out before he loads it in. No. No. Oh, shoot. No, he's gonna load something in. I think he already loaded it in. Oh, he tried to explode me. Why is the computer over there? I'm gonna go check that out. Why is the keyboard flashing? Oh shoot! He has a camera. He's watching me. Oh my god! It's an invisible camera. Oh shoot! He has a gun. No, he's behind my back. Oh no! Oh shoot! He shot me. Why was I standing still? I was trying to bait him. Now we gotta go back to the bombs and nukes.
People were short back then. We're giants right now.
I know, I would have destroyed every man.
Wow.
Okay. Wait, that's the wrong one. Wait. Wait, no, this is my first one. This is for 2 people. I can't do this one. No! No! Because I don't have 2 people with me. Alright. Oh my gosh, I have to do the thing again with the levers. Okay, just bring the both up at the same time, it's faster. Oh shoot, he's here, no, he's destroying my stuff. Don't turn on isolation mode. Oh. I have to prepare. I hope you guys are hearing these screams. It's so weird. It's from my dad's TV. Isolation mode off. I'm gonna go to black team now. He took away my jets. And where am I going? Alright, here we go. I'm gonna win! Gosh. Oh my god, he turned on isolation mode. Are you serious? He's loading something in, so I think it's gonna turn it off soon. For now, I'm gonna try to get on top of the spot. We're not on the very top of the isolation mode barrier, but wait, green team has PvP mode. Maybe I can get green team. I forgot to press the blue lever, by the way. I'm gonna try to bomb green team. Oh shoot, no! No! I destroyed my jet. Oh my gosh, I can't escape, so I might as well just get back into my chair. Oh god. I can't stop yawning this video. I don't know why. Just as a reminder, go check out my Q&A post and ask a question in the comment section. I want to get as many questions as possible and I want to answer a lot. Also, if you want any extra videos like about certain things, leave your suggestions in the comments.
You just don't get that really deep reading history anywhere else in the country like you do. Because this is where the country started.
Okay, he still has isolation mode on. Oh my gosh. And I can't escape this stupid boat. Or jet, I guess. I'm just gonna try to walk out. No, Templeton lost his nose. Oh yeah, by the way, that rat's name is Templeton. He's still building something. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to get inside. Down here. I'm gonna sabotage his build. I'm gonna sabotage it. No, he turned off PvP mode, but whatever. I can still sabotage your stuff. Do it. Get him. Flick his stuff. Get him. Oh, he left the game. Still sabotage his stuff. Yeah, because I can go on his block. Oh, yep, his stuff. Wait, there's a new person on black team. Get him.
Thank you so much. Sweet guy. Wilson was a sweet guy. He was a man's man. He likes
Oh, shoot. The guy on green team is now on black team, too. And he has PvP mode. He better not turn on isolation mode. He looks like he's literally turning it on right now. Finally, somebody who had chat, bro. Oh my god. What? He better PvP. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, take their car. Because they can't get inside. Because they didn't add a door. And they're stupid and they put it in the air too. Those are your Go. Oh no, he made it in. Get in the car with him. Oh, he dropped the car. Wait, there's guns! Guns! Give me a gun! I gotta get into this car and shoot one of them. Oh no! Wait, he's randomly stopping. I gotta shoot him. When he stops, I have to get out and shoot him. He stopped. Oh my god! Retreat! Retreat! Okay. Now, time for the last match for I Won't Die. B2 Bomber time! But I'm getting a gun, just in case. And I'm allowed to do that. Get in. Go! Just don't even use the wheels, just go. Wait, he's getting a gun. Oh shoot, they sniped me down. Happy 1st of July, by the way. Oh shoot, he has a gun. I killed him. I'm gonna keep going though. Snipe him. I gotta wait for him to stop moving though. I'm still gonna try though. He's not moving. Oh my! That literally phased through him. What the heck? Don't let him get a gun. No. No, they turned on isolation mode. Well, but that's the end of the video. I won the challenge. Bye.
Amazing outro or like and subscribe.